go. One board up. Shiny, delicious water. I'm good.
Ready?
Yep.
Drain in the water.
I'm a big, strong girl. Are you coming your?
Scoot your way a little bit. I need to expect.
Alright, this is how far Jim got when Evie and I went out to get stuff for dinner. This drain is supposed to work. It does not. Wow, yeah, it is soaking wet in here. Good job, Dada. And we went and got damp red bags. Me and Evie did. That was our errand. So, we hung up a damp red bag there, looks like, and then our dehumidifier right there. We have a fan in that other room and 2 damp red bags in there, so that is where we're at so far. It comes out a whole lot easier than it goes in, huh?
Yeah.